Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good morning to Dr. and all my friends. Today my team and I would like to present our project Aisyah, the kitchen restaurant system. So this is my team members. My name is AJLAA binti MOHAMMAD, and then the second one is Muhammad Aidel bin Muhammad NOOR, and the third one is Muhammad FAKHRUL bin AHMAD SEBRI. So I will start our presentation with a project description. Why we want to build this system? First, we want this system can manage a restaurant more efficiently. Second one, to help to prevent a redundant order from customer. And then the third one is to help waiter to view all the menu easily, because before this, waiter or cashier or workers just view by the menu catalogs, hard cover, hard copy of the catalog. The last one is to help kitchen crew also can view the orders by the system and no need to view on the paper to ensure orders that need to cook. And then the next one is problem statement. Why we want to build this system? Because of this problem. First, waiters need to write the order from the customer in notebook or paper. It takes time and waste of time because of some of them will misplace the notebook or the paper. And then the second one is waiter frequently misplace the catalog menu, especially during the peak hours. So then they need to find out where they put the catalog. So it will take time. And then the third one is price of menu in catalog menu not updated properly. Since our price now is not as stable, keep rising and so on. So they just put a sticker to cover the old price of the menu and replace with the new price. So it's not convenient. So by this system, we will try to help them can update the price of menu easily. The fourth one is handwriting of waiter too bad and hard to understand by chef. And the last one, cashier key in a wrong price when customer want to pay a bill. And then the objective of the project is the first one, we want to develop a dependable, convenient, and accurate ordering system that will undoubtedly satisfy customer service. The second one is to reduce overlapping orders from the customer who makes an order by dine-in and takeaway. The third one is restaurant waiters no longer the restaurant waiters no longer need to spend longer time to take the customer orders and to prevent communication error between customer and waiter, because some of the customer and waiter have miscommunication during the order submission. And then I will pass to Mama Aidil for functional modules.
Okay, so next for functional module. Okay, so for waiter need to log in first, and then after successfully log in, waiter can take an order from the customer, view order from customer and confirm the order. And then other than that, waiter also can alter the order if customer want to make some change for the order, for example, delay or add the order. And then for chef, after login, chef only can view order that are submitted from the waiter and confirm that the order is already complete by the chef. And then for cashier, after login, cashier can view order from customer and cashier also can manage payment from customer. They want to pay by cash, credit or debit card. And then next for use case diagram. Okay, so for use case diagram, we have 4 actors: waiter, chef, customer and cashier. Okay, so for the first actor, waiter must log in into the system first, and then waiter can view the order, alter the order and take order, include confirm the order. And then for the second actor, chef log in into the system first, and then can view the order and prepare to complete the order. And then for the third customer will create the order, include confirm order, and then customer will make a payment by cash or credit card or debit card. And then for cashier log in into the system, view order and payment. Okay, so I will pass to Fakhrul HAZIQ.
Okay, next. Okay, next for the class diagram. In this class diagram, we have class employee. In class employee, we have cashier, waiter, and chef as a subclass for class employee. And this employee can view order, create order, or alter order for class order. And then uh, class customer can make order for the class order and can have uh, one or only one bill. And and then takeaway customer, and then in customer is a subclass for a customer, and customer can sit at one and only one table. uh, okay, customer then in customer can sit at one and only one table. Okay, next is a entity diagram, the Schner diagram. uh, for uh, entity relational diagram, we have table employee. In table employee, we have employee ID as a primary key, and shift, gender, name, salary, date of birth, address, and designation. After that, we have table order. In table order, we have attribute order ID as primary key for this table, employee ID, foreign key from table employee, dish ID is a foreign key from table dish, and cooking time, price, and customer ID. Customer ID is a foreign key for table customer. Next, dish for table dish. Table dish have attribute is dish ID. Dish ID is a primary key for this table, and we have attribute name, price, and type. Next is customer, table customer. In this table, we have attribute customer ID as primary key for this table, and following name, address, type, phone number, date in, time out, and table ID. Table ID is a foreign key from table. Next is table bill. Bill in this table, we have attribute bill ID. Bill ID is a primary key from table primary key for this table, and customer ID. Customer ID is a foreign key from table customer, total price, and date. Okay, next.
So next is interface design for our system. So first one is login interface. Cashier, waiter, and chef will need to log in first before access the system. If they are successfully access the system, waiter will view this interface. This one is to choose for customer, either they want to dine in or take away. If the customer choose to dine in, waiter need to choose the table for the customer, which table is still available, and view which table is available. If the table is available, waiter can book for the table for the customer. And then next is a menu catalog that can view by the waiter. So waiter will view all the menus catalogs. For example, they can have the hot dishes, burgers, snacks and sides, salads and drinks. So this is all the menus that will waiter view. They have nasi biasa, nasi ayam special, mee goreng and so on. So the customer will view from the waiter all the menus, and waiter will add to cart the food or menu they want into the cart. Here we can see here. Okay, and then this next one is customer also can give a special instruction for their food. For example, they want to add more chili sauce and black pepper sauce, or no tomato and salads, or less ice for their drinks. And after that, waiter will add to cart the menu that chosen by the customer. Okay, the next one is after choose all the menus, okay, they will show to the customer first to confirm either order is correct or not. If customer want to add more than one, they can click on the plus button, or they want less, or they want to make a difference, or they want to delete, they just click on minus button. And then after confirm all the orders, later we click on the confirm orders. After confirm order, it will pass to the chef. So later I will pass more Fakhrul to explain about chef interface.
Okay, for this is the interface for the chef. After waiter submit all the order, and chef can view all the order through the system. One table act for one order. So after chef complete all the order, for example nasi goreng kampung, nasi goreng ayam, and so on, chef can click the button complete. Okay, next. Okay, this is interface for cashier. Cashier will ask for customer ID or table ID, and cashier will key in the data to the system. Next. After cashier key in the table ID or customer ID, the system will display the invoice for this order, and customer can pay either cash, debit, or credit card, and cashier will receive the payment and click for the button pay. Next. after after customer make a payment, and cashier receive the payment, this invoice will display after the payment, and cashier can print the receipt by click the button print receipt. Next. Okay, that's all from us for the presentation of Aisyah the kitchen restaurant system. Thank you very much.